Today, you will learn how to remove the underline from a hyperlink in Word. Welcome to Easy Guide YouTube channel. First, open your Word document where you have the underlined hyperlink. A hyperlink is simply text that you can click to open a website or another location. You will usually see it in blue color with an underline. To remove the underline from a single hyperlink, click and drag your mouse over the linked text to highlight it. After selecting it, right-click on the highlighted text. A menu will appear on your screen. From this menu, click on Font. A small window called the Font dialog box will open. This window gives you many options to change how your text looks. Look for the option called Underline Style. You will see a small drop-down arrow next to it. Click on that arrow and choose None from the list. This tells Word that you don't want any underline on this text. After selecting None, click the OK button. You will immediately notice that the underline is gone, but the text is still a clickable hyperlink. This is perfect if you want a clean and professional look without losing the functionality of the link. Now, what if your document has many hyperlinks and you don't want to remove the underline one by one? Word has a smarter way to handle this using styles. Styles control how certain types of text look in your entire document. Hyperlinks in Word use a style called hyperlink. If you change this style, it will update all hyperlinks at once. To do this, go to the Home tab at the top of Word. Look at the Styles group, and you will see a tiny arrow in the bottom right corner. Click this small arrow to open the Styles pane. A panel will appear on the side of your screen. Scroll down in this list until you find the style named Hyperlink. When you move your mouse over it, you will see a small drop-down arrow. Click on that arrow and choose Modify. A new window called the Modify Style window will open. This is where you can change how all hyperlink text looks in your document. In this window, you will see formatting options like bold, italic, and underline. Click the Underline button to turn it off. You can also change the color if you don't want the blue color anymore. This change will apply to all hyperlinks at once. Before you click OK, you will see two options at the bottom. One option lets you apply this change only to this document. The other option allows you to use this new style in all future documents. Choose the one that suits you. You can also add this modified style to the Styles gallery so you can quickly use it again later. Now click OK. You will see that the underline is removed from every hyperlink in your document in just one step. Remember, removing the underline does not remove the link. The text will still be clickable. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel.